Hello everyone, this is Elvis from User Power. Today I will introduce our surround battery pack for you. You can see here, this is our surround battery pack, and this is a 16S 1-pin lithium rechargeable battery pack with a smart BMS integrate and LCD display. You can see here, it's a LCD display built in, and here is a IP167 waterproof and dusty resistant casing. And the nominal wattage of the battery pack at 16 wattage, and the rated capacity of the battery pack and at 15.3 amp hours.